Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a requested and I put it in my request book. I am finally getting around to filming it. It was, can you do a video on makeup brushes that I use? Makeup brushes that I would recommend. And they are all affordable. They are all from the same brand and you can buy them right now on ShopMissA.com. So all that information is going to be linked in the description box below. These are by far some of my favorite brushes. Let's just jump right in. Now before we jump right into the eye brushes, I want to share with you the face brushes they have to offer. These are pink handled, but they come in a variety of different colors like white and black handles. These have the rose gold ferrules, which are really nice, and these come in a set. And I like this face set because you get a fan brush, a foundation brush, an angled contour or blush brush. You have like a stippling flat top kind of kabuki style brush. I like this for cream blushes. I like using this little stubby guy for either under eye concealer or applying primer, which is typically what I use it for. And you get a large powder brush. This set comes with a travel case as well. I'm going to insert a picture of that now. And these are super duper affordable. They are extremely soft as well. They don't shed. They clean up very nicely. So I would highly recommend picking up one of their face brush sets. In this kit you get a brush for pretty much anything you'd want to use or need to use on your face to apply products. Some brushes I want to talk about from their individual line here. And these are all dollar brushes. The first one is their highlighting brush from AOA Studio. Fantastic, very soft, cleans up nice, minimal shedding. And this one here I use to clean up my eyebrows or cut the crease. And these are black handles with the silver ferrule. And this one I love using for the inner corner or the inner portion of the lid, or lid in general. It's nice and small, it's flat. It really helps to wet this brush and apply your eyeshadows wet, so I love it for that. Last and final brushes that I have to recommend, they are from the AOA Studio line as well. These are the pink handled silver ferrule all about the eyes brush set, and this also comes with a traveling case and the cup split in two, and I use one of the cups for dirty brushes. I think it's perfect for that. These are $10.55 I believe on the website, but I believe you get 8 to 10 brushes plus the case. There is an eyeshadow brush, there's crease brushes, there's inner corner or lower lash line brushes. Little small details can be achieved with this brush here. This is not the entire set. A lot of them, mine are dirty, but there is like a short stubby pencil style brush, and I had these for a couple of years before they stained, which I thought was great. And once again, there's hardly no shedding. These wash up very nicely. The bristles are incredibly soft, and these are the brushes that I use most and you see a lot of in my tutorials, and I've had these for years now and they're still holding up. Same for these and those face brushes, and they take a lot of abuse. So I definitely recommend the AOA Studio line of brushes. Any of these brushes are fantastic. These are the brushes that I use. These are the brushes that I use in my videos. These are the brushes that I would recommend and that I use all the time. So I hope you enjoyed the video, found it helpful. If you have any other comments or questions, leave them in the comment section below. I thank you so very much for watching, and don't forget to check the description box and the cards for additional links.